What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's currently 11 p.m. and we are making us ready to go tomorrow to the airport. We're going to Kos. It's an island in Greece, and yeah, we have to wake up tomorrow at 3 a.m. Because our flight is at 6 a.m. and yeah, so we're only gonna have like 3 hours or 4 hours of sleep, and we're gonna have a little of rest, and yeah, and then in the morning we're gonna go to the airport and hopefully have a good flight, and yeah, see you there. So we just arrived at the hotel. The hotel is Oku. We went to Oku in Ibiza last year, and now we are at Oku in Greece, at Kos. And yeah, I think it looks pretty nice, and we are waiting till someone brings us to our room, and then I will show you us our room, and we'll show you more of the hotel and bring you guys with us. What are you doing here? So this is the room. Yeah, that's the entrance. Bed right there. Nice mirror. Small TV. And yeah, then toilet, bathroom, shower here. Looks all really nice. And then we also have a small area outside to chill out, and yeah, that's our room for the next 10 days here at Oku in Kos. And yeah, we will have a look what we'll do now. Maybe sleep a little bit, or maybe just go to the beach or to the pool and chill. Yeah, I'll take you with us. So it's day 3, yeah, it's day 3, and we are right now chilling at the beach. This is the view that we got, pretty nice. And yeah, yesterday we didn't that much, just chilled at the pool, and then today I think we're gonna chill at the beach a little bit more. And yeah, not that much to do on summer holidays, it's more to relax. And yeah, so there's not much to record or take you guys with me, but yeah, I'll show you how it looks around, and yeah, and if there's something special we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go on a boat trip as well, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me there as well. And yeah, that's what we've been up to the last 2-3 days.
So far, so good. Felt the rain, I should find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling stellar. Wanna feel the weather, sunny rays or stormy pressure. Don't care if
So we are now in the city of Kos, and we are having a look around some stores here. And yeah, they have nothing special, just like normal tourist stuff, some fake cream teas with LV or some Birkenstocks or whatever. And yeah, just gonna walk around, have a look, and then have some dinner in the city.
been trying to stay afloat, I've been falling every.
So we are here at the typical Greek restaurant, I think. And yeah, got a typical Greece dish, gyros, some fries, pita, and yeah.
When I open eyes, seeing nothing, no. I've been trying to stay afloat, I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get.
So it's kind of crazy, they really have a Stussy T printed on a Gildan t-shirt, also with a back print. That's crazy. Not sure if this is real or not. Do you think? Huh?
Real.
Real. Oh. Let me know if you need some Dior Jordan 1s. I can give you a plug here in Kos. Just come by, I think they have plenty of them. I don't know what we're doing here, but yeah, that's like a castle that we are going to. It's called Pili Castle, but we thought that we can go with the car onto the top, but that's not the case. We have to walk, like, I think at least for half an hour. And yeah, as you can see, people are dressed like this for hiking. And of course I've got a nice outfit, Winter Charlie shirt, some jorts, some Vans, my girlfriend the same, with some sambas. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it looks really nice. But I don't know if you'll make it to the top because I'm dying already after 2 minutes. And yeah, we'll see us on the top, hopefully. What the fuck are we doing here? Ronaldo! Just found a goat in Greece. There's the siblings of Ronaldo. I'm not quite sure, but I think you have to tap there, but I don't know how. Yeah, it's quite hard to get up there, but we'll try and give our best to give you the view from up there. I think we made it. It looks like an entrance. So yeah, I think we made it. Let's see how this looks inside. If it was worth it or not. No. I don't think we made it to the top. Doesn't look like that. Oh man. I think there is the top. I hope so. Yep. We made it. So yeah, that was it. View is kind of nice, but you have to look for yourself if it's worth it or not. But yeah, it was nice, but it's way too hot today. I had to take my t-shirt off because I'm sweating all around. But yeah, walking down isn't that easy as walking up. But yeah, we'll see us when I'm in the car again.
I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. I'm so far from perfect.
perfect, but that's perfectly fine. Might not be where I'm going, but I'll be there.
So we just arrived in a small village called Zia. It's like a traditional village up in the hill, and yeah, we're just gonna walk around here. Like some good food places and some small stores with some homemade pieces, and yeah, gonna walk around here and have a look what they have, and yeah, that's it.
If you sing your song with your heart, they gon' feel ya. Nothing more precious or held in more reverence than walking your path and living in your lessons, right?
I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. Yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just wanna see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing, no. I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on.
So as you guys can see, we are on a boat today. We are now at the first island. The water is crazy blue. And yeah, this is the first island that we're stopping. We are stopping at 2 islands and just chilling here on the boat. And on the next stop we're gonna also have lunch. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna stay here at the boat, chill here, and yeah. So we arrived at the island where we are gonna have some lunch. I think the place is there. And yeah, left the boat there. And now we're gonna have some lunch. And after that we're gonna get on the boat again and go have a look at another island. And yeah, that would be it. We chose a club sandwich. And yeah, let's see how it tastes. But yeah, we're gonna taste it and eat it. So we had our lunch and are walking now around the island. It's not that big from there until there. Yeah, that's everything. It's crazy to think that people actually live here. It's been like 25 houses here on this side, and the rest is all just island with no people living on there. And it's crazy to think about it. That's literally their life, so it's crazy. We are now on the way to the second place, where we're also gonna chill, and yeah. So yeah, that was it from the boat trip. We are now back to the hotel. Yeah, the boat trip was nice, was a nice experience. We'll definitely do it more times in the next vacations. My girlfriend is saying no, but I think she liked it as well. But yeah, it's quite expensive for what you get, but I think it's a nice experience, and it's something different from staying all day at the pool or going to the city or something else. But yeah, it was nice, and I would definitely recommend it to you if you have the possibility to do it somewhere. And yeah, tomorrow will be the last day, and then we'll be going back to Switzerland, and I will show you the rest of it, some more that we will do. And yeah, so we are now at the night activity. That's what we've been up to pretty much every night. We've been playing a new game called backgammon or backgammon, I don't know how it's pronounced, but backgammon. And yeah, that's what we've been up to at the nights, and I'm of course the better player. Currently I'm losing 1-0, but in overall I'm winning like, I don't know, 10-0 or something like that. But yeah, I'm the better player in this one, so I'm gonna win this one, and then I'll come back to you showing that I won this one. And yeah, and it's all full of mosquitoes. That's really fucked up. We have mosquito spray, but I don't know, these grease mosquitoes don't care about mosquito spray. But yeah, I'm gonna win this one and come back to you. Didn't record anymore yesterday. I wasn't winning against my girlfriend, so I didn't want to record that. But yeah, and overall I'm still winning, so that's okay. But yeah, we are now at the airport. It's completely full airport. The airport is really small and there's a ton of people. But yeah, I'm currently editing my video here in my corner where no one is. And yeah, it's a different type of video that I normally do. It's not that fashion related. Let me know if you guys also want to see more of that type of content, if you like this or not. Or yeah, so yeah, that will be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this holiday vlog. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram, and we'll see us in the next video. Peace.